Hello guys, so what happened on September 3 in history? Okay, so before that I'll show you some interesting things. This is the UPSC CSAT question paper, and each year one question will come on calendar. Okay, so calendar is you should not waste a lot of time on it. There are certain tricks and formulas because every month, like how many dates are there. January 31, February is 28 or 29 depending on leap year, then March 31, it's fixed and it. So based on that there is a calculation formulas which you have to study, okay, which we have already taught in our Plum series and other places, and I will do more videos if you want. But you should know that you should not waste a lot of time on it, because out of your 80 questions in CSAT, only one question will come which is calendar based. So for that one question, 2.5 mark, wasting a lot of time is not good. Okay, I see many people sitting and practicing thousands of questions and all. Don't do that much in calendar section at least. Calendar, learn that formula, like 365 days are there in normal year, 366 days are there in leap year, and then each week has 7 days, a total 52 weeks are there. And then this odd days, even days, one concept is there. Okay, like when you count and divide by 7 and when you get the remainder, okay, like there are 300 days, suppose you divide by 7 and you get a number, you will get this many odd days. So depending on odd day and all, you can clearly tell. Simply I asked like 2055 January 3rd is which day, whether it is Sunday or Monday, Tuesday, like that you can easily tell if you know the concept of odd days. So if you want, I will make a video on that later, but these are the questions which are coming. Okay, and why I am telling you today is because September 3 is importance we are doing, and calendar based some event is there which happened today. Okay, so understand, beginners especially, see 2022, 21, 20, 19, okay, even in 23 I am sure it is there, but I took only from 2022 backwards. Okay, so every type is there. They are asking, see, June 2099, which of the following is a Sunday? Then based on petrol price, one question was there, very interesting question it is. I have solved it also. I think solved this will be there in my solved previous year paper videos, it will be there. Okay, and then 12th January is a Sunday, then which one of the following is correct, like whether this is a leap year, whether it's not a leap year. So basically you have to know that only, which year, what date is, what week, that you have to know. For that it's not very complicated, there is a formula based thing. So just understand this. I'm just showing you. I'm not going to tell you or discuss here. We will discuss this in those respective previous year paper discussion videos. Okay, so understand that calendar questions are part of your syllabus. Okay, and then type in YouTube Vysh IAS Plums. Okay, Vysh IAS Plums playlist. This playlist will come. More than 230 videos are there. Each day is a different subject. We show you five questions which are previous year questions also, Vysh IAS test series questions also, extra practice questions also. So every day, like Monday history, Tuesday geography, Wednesday polity, Thursday economy, Friday science, Saturday will be this one CSAT, and Sunday will be current affairs. So like that we have designed that many unlimited questions with answers and explanation that you will daily practice from now. Don't think you will complete all your syllabus and then do MCQ practice. That it doesn't work. You have to see questions side by side. Okay, only then you will be able to clear the exam. Now, what happened on this day in history, September 3? Skyscraper day. Skyscraper means like New York and all, we tell like the city of skyscrapers, okay, or Dubai, because there are that many big buildings, Empire State Building, the Burj Khalifa, the big towers and buildings are there. So that day specific to that, a dedicated day is there, September 3, Skyscraper day, where you are appreciating the architectural marvels and engineering designs across the world. Okay, then September 3, 1783, the Treaty of Paris was signed. Many treaties in the name of Treaty of Paris will be there, but 1783 you should know what is the significance that time. World history, if you study, America got independence around that time, 1774. So the Treaty of Paris was signed by US and British representatives on September 3, 1783, ending the war of the American Revolution. Okay, American Revolution is also very interesting thing you should know. America was a place where it was like nobody was there, only default local tribal people, that Red Indians, which we call. So those people were living. Britain or the Europe, you should know, they were colonizing 1780s, Britishers are there in India, so they are colonizing different areas. So they sent lot of British people itself to go and settle in America in around 13 colonies, which now it is like New York, this and different cities which is there, right? So that is once upon a time British colonies, meaning it's the European people only who went and settled there. Okay, so they were living as per the Britishers policies and everything and all. But after this many years or 100 years and all, like slavery and all these orders by British, you will feel like now let's revolt. That is how American Revolution happened. Okay, so they revolted, the 13 colonies revolted against the British Empire, and finally they got independence, and then they signed a treaty of Paris. Okay, so based on a 1782 preliminary treaty, the agreement already recognized US's independence and granted US significant western territory. Okay, the map you should know, okay, where and all Britishers occupied. It's not like full USA they occupied, certain major colonies they occupied. Okay, so that is about the Treaty of Paris. Then 1752 September 3, a day was skipped in British Empire. Okay, can you imagine? Today it is like September 2, you are going to sleep, and tomorrow's date when you wake up is September 13. Okay, that actually happened. That actually happened in history, and that is why today I showed you the calendar things. Okay, in Britain, in that other colonies and all, September 2, 1752, they slept and they woke up on 14th September. The reason, because the calendar format they changed. Okay, now we are following the Gregorian calendar and all. Earlier there used to be something called the Julian calendar. Okay, this everything is related to Roman Empire and all. Okay, Julius Caesar, Augustus Caesar and all. There are many things. If it's the month also, July, August. Okay, it's like Julius and Augustus. So that is why both has 31 days. Other months and all, if you see, it's 30, 28, 31. It's like alternative. But July and August is the only place where you see back to back 31 days are there. Okay, so that and all, there is some history behind it that you will know when you study more things. So a calendar which was the Julian calendar was shifted to Gregorian calendar, which is now the modern day calendar, those days 1752. So there was big riots also. People even told, like, give us back our 11 days. Okay, meaning after September 2, next day is September 14. That has actually happened because the calendar shift, calendar type changed. Okay, and now we are following the Gregorian calendar. That is why I showed you calendar questions. Now today is the Independence Day of Qatar. Okay, so Qatar was again colonized by Britain, and then 1968 they announced, September 3 they announced, and 1971 they got the official independence from this thing. Okay, from the Britain. Okay, Gulf countries. So this is the basic things which happened on September 3, and now they have a good relationship and they are doing trade and all. But there was a colonial history also. Okay, so if you want to study all these in proper question answer format and correct UPSC or SSC angles and all, our current affair magazines and daily editorial video will suffice. So come and WhatsApp me and try to get these packs, because the offers will be there for limited time only. Okay, the combo packs are preferred by students. They are the bestseller packs also. Try to come and enroll as soon as possible. Okay, don't be that student who likes, sees something, likes something, wants something and still don't enroll to it. I know many people who do that. 80-90% people are, they know it is good quality, they know it is needed, but they won't enroll because they prefer the usual brands. Okay, so I'm not naming those brands. It's your choice. Ultimately, when the result comes, I will show you questions which came directly from our test series, and that time next year you will come and buy. So 1 year you wasted already. So don't do that. Come and contact us, be part of this journey which we are doing, and hopefully you will clear. Okay, so go and watch the editorial also which is done today, and WhatsApp number is given on screen. I'll wind up this now. Thank you and have a nice day.